In this short tutorial, I will show you how to delete your cover photo on Facebook. Deleting your cover photo is a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on your name at the top. Then tap on your cover photo. And then tap See Cover Photo. Then tap on these three little dots at the top right corner. Now you'll see the Delete Photo option. Go ahead and tap on it. And then tap Delete to confirm it and delete your Facebook cover photo. Now you'll see that the cover photo is removed, and you can add a new cover photo if you want to. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.